So I want you all to picture in your mind's eye, like a bird's eye view, swooping in and over the clouds. Not storm clouds in any way, shape, or form. You hear every single cloud has a silver lining. These clouds have golden lining as we are zooming through the skies of Mount Celestia among the upper plains. Take that D20, roll it, and let's see what comes out of it. How's it going? I'm Dungeon Master Tim. I'm the Guild Master here at Dungeon Drafts here in the Triangle area of North Carolina, but we are based all around the country. We partner with local drinking establishments to bring you the most high-octane, immersive storytelling experience this side of the East Coast. We do everything for you. Character sheets, pre-made, miniatures, painted, maps, drawn, and don't forget the dice. All you need to do is bring yourself. From that point on, you can make up your own character and dive deep into a world full of mystery, intrigue, and teamwork.
I'm CJ. Today's character, I am a fighter and a warlock. So I have some fun spells I get to use, and if all else fails, brute force. I like how Dungeons & Drafts makes it so easy to come together. One of the best things was being unsure day one and leaving with friends day one, so I've come back for day 2, day 3, probably for the past few months. It's really easy to play. You don't have to come with a character prepared, and anything you want to do, you don't have to worry about figuring out math or the rules or anything. They help you do it, whether it's the person running the whole game or somebody at the table, because everybody's really friendly. It's a really good opportunity to get to know the area around you.
My name is Kyle. All the venues I've been to have been wonderful. All the DMs are great. We're here at the Dungeons & Drafts at the lovely Moon Dog Meadery in Durham. I went to my first one, I think it was like 2 months ago for my birthday, and I've been going pretty regularly ever since. Once a week, twice a week, as often as I can. There's nothing else now. My favorite thing about it is probably the fact that you don't have to do anything. You don't have to organize anybody, you don't have to schedule anything, you just show up and it's just that easy.
If you want to play some Dungeon Dragons with some professional Dungeon Masters, this is the place for you. You can find locations all over the country. Just go to dungeondrafts.com to find your local chapter and your local adventure.